Hello and welcome to this video tutorial that demonstrates how to become a member of Academia Arabiya Library. First, click on Become a Member button on the top left of the screen. Here, you will notice that there are multiple membership options available. Choose the membership plan based on your preference and need. Click on Choose Plan. Now, double-check your order, the duration from the drop-down list, the price, and the start and end dates, and click Confirm. This step is to register your membership account. Enter your account details, your first name and last name, your email address, the username you would like to be assigned to this account, your password, confirm your password, agree to the privacy policy, confirm you are not a robot. Once done, click on Save. The next step is to enter your billing address details. The billing address is the address where you receive your credit card statement. Enter your first name, your last name, the street address, the country, city, and state you are located in, your zip code, and your phone number. Here, you can also check your order details. There is an order summary that includes the product you purchased, the price, the grand total. Click Next once you're done. Now you can choose your payment option. You have the options to pay using PayPal, Bitcoin, or credit card. I am going to show you the steps of paying using credit card. Now select your preferred payment method, whether Visa or MasterCard. Enter your card details. Once you're done entering your card details, just click on the Pay button. Now your payment is being processed. Once your payment is approved, you will receive a verification email to your inbox. Now you have become an official Academia Arabiya Library member. Now you can sign in using your registered username and password. For any inquiries, you can always send an email to info@academiaarabiya.com, or you can chat with support. Enjoy using Academia Arabiya Library, and thank you.